Craving something out of this world? So don't worry, we have got you. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents croissant cookie, Crookie. Step 1, making chocolate chips cookie dough. Take 100 grams room temperature butter. Mash it well. Add half cup sugar. 3/4 cup light brown sugar. Cream them together. Crack 1 egg. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Beat well. Whisk well until light and fluffy. Scrape the edges. Add 1/4 cup self-raising flour. Half teaspoon baking powder. 1 to 2 pinches of salt. Half teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon corn flour for crunchiness from outside. Combine well. You can use store-bought cookie dough in this recipe if you want to make this recipe a lot easier and less effort. Add 250 grams of milk and dark chocolate chips. Combine well. Grease your palm. Take a small portion and make balls as shown. Repeat the same procedure to make more. You can also store in the freezer and thaw 20 minutes before baking. I'm using regular-sized frozen croissants. You can even use mini croissants. Or you can use store-bought croissants for this recipe. Place them in an air fryer basket on distance. Pop them in. Turn on the air fryer. Hit the bake function. Adjust the time and temperature. Bake frozen croissants at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Time may vary depending on the type or size of the air fryer. You can also bake in the oven. Simply follow the packet instructions. Once done, remove it. Bake beautifully. Do not cut while it is warm. You're gonna mess up. Allow it to cool down completely. Or cut with scissors if it's warm. Cut the croissant as shown. Stuff chocolate chip cookie dough. Sandwich them between croissant. Topped with thin layer of cookie dough on both sides. Flatten the cookie dough with your fingers. Run a knife till the end of the croissant. Slice them without divide into half. Loaded them with cookie dough. Sandwich them between croissant. Put some cookie dough on top of the croissant. Flatten it with your fingers. Repeat the same procedure for all. Cut them into the middle. If you don't know about Crookie, apparently, there is a bakery in Paris or Amsterdam that makes croissants stuffed with chocolate chip cookie dough all over the internet. You have probably seen Crookie take the world by storm. Stuff some cookie dough inside of the croissant. Don't forget to put a little dollop on top. Line the air fryer basket with parchment paper. Place Crookie in air fryer basket. Took two best desserts and put them together to make the greatest dessert ever. Turn on the air fryer. Bake them in air fryer until crispy. Turn on the air fryer. Bake Crookie at 160 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. Keep on eye. Crookies are done. Once done, remove it. The cookie dough inside should be gooey, and the croissant is flaky. Allow the Crookie to cool for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with chocolate chips. Sprinkle some powdered sugar. Hear the crunch. I'm not headed to Paris anytime soon, so I recreated the viral Le Crookie. So flaky and crispy, just listen. You can experiment with different flavors like any other cookie dough, oatmeal, brownie, raisins, nuts, or even red velvet. It is really ooey and gooey from inside and super crispy from outside. I want gooey inside, but absolutely cook it for longer if you don't like that. These cookie stuffed croissants make a perfect treat for breakfast, dessert, snacks, or anytime you're craving something indulgent. Everyone is going crazy over the croissant cookie hybrid. This hybrid dessert has become popular due to its indulgent, delightful fusion of buttery, flaky croissants, and the crispy from outside and sweet, ooey gooey melted cookies inside, mixed flavors and textures. This tastes so good. I made this another batch, topped with some icing sugar. If you want, you can drizzle some chocolate or caramel sauce over the croissant. Do try this super delicious recipe and thank me later. Hear the crunchiness. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.